Patil from Upper Public School with the chapter Integers. The first chapter, that is Integers. So already in the previous class we completed exercise 1.1 and 1.2. Today we will handle exercise 1.3. The exercise 1.3, first question asks, find each of the following product. Here we have to calculate the product of the integers. Product means it is multiplication. Now the first one asks, what we are having? 3 into minus 1. Here already I said you that what is plus into plus as plus, plus into minus as minus, minus into plus as minus, minus into minus as plus. So these tricks we are using here. Now here 3 is there. It is a positive integer and minus 1 as it is a negative integer. Plus into minus as minus, 3 into 1 as it is 3. The answer as minus 3. And the next one. Again here minus and plus, plus into minus as minus, 1 into 225, it is 225. The next C one. See here minus minus, minus into minus, it is plus. And 21 into 30, 21 into 30 as it is 21 3s are 1 3s are 3, 3 2s are 6 and it's 0. So it is 630, 21 into 30 as 630. Now here see solution D. It has again minus into minus as plus. Okay, now how will do this as 360 into 1. So it is plus 360. Okay, and the next one. So already in the positive, remember I said you that whenever you are multiplying any number with a 0, that is multiplication by 0, I said that when you multiply any number to 0, you will get the answer as 0. So you see here minus 15 into 0, plus into minus as minus 15 into 0, again it is 0. Then into minus 80, minus into minus plus 0 into 80 as 0. So we are getting the answer as 0. No need to write the plus here because nothing is there means it is plus only. And the next one. See, first I will multiply these two numbers and whatever the product I am getting that is multiplied with the 10. First you multiply these two numbers and after that you multiply that with the 10. Now 12 into minus 10, sorry minus into minus here has plus. 12 into 11 it has 132. You get it as a plus 132 and again this 10 as it is. Now here also plus, here also plus. Plus into plus, it has a plus. 132 into 10, it has 1320. Okay. First, whenever 3 numbers are there, first you have to make them a group as multiply 2 numbers and whatever the product we are getting, again that product is multiple with the third number. The next one, here G. See. Plus into minus as minus, 9 3s are 27. Multiplying first these two numbers and again this number as it is minus 6. Now minus into minus as plus, 27 into 6 it as 162. That is 27 6 are. 6 7s are 42. 6 2s are 12. 12. 13, 14, 15, 16. So it has a 162. Now it is minus into minus as plus. The next one. Now as these two are small numbers, first I will multiply these two numbers. See here, minus 18 as it is. Now minus into minus as plus. Plus 5 4s are, it is 20. Now it is easy to calculate. Now it has minus plus minus 18 2s are 36. 3 6 0. The next one, you see, I ask here 4 numbers are there. First you have to multiply first these two numbers. You will get the product, and afterwards you multiply these two numbers. You will get for that also one of the result, and after that the combined result you have to multiply. Now minus minus as plus 1 2s are 2 into, now I am multiplying these two numbers, 3 4s are 12 plus into minus as minus. Now plus into minus, minus 12 2s are, or it is a 24. So the answer as minus 24. And the last one we are having as J1. One more in this, that is J1. J problem, you see, minus 3 into, I am writing here the J problem, minus 3 into minus 6 into minus 2 into minus 1. Minus 3 into minus 6 into minus 2 into minus 1. And here also we are having again the 4 numbers. Then 4 numbers, first you have to multiply by first these two numbers, and after that multiply these two numbers. Now you see the solution as minus into minus as plus. 6 3s are, it is 18. Now into minus as plus. 2 1s are 2. So 18 2s are, it has a 36, as both are with the minus, so it is a plus 36. See here we are having minus sign how many times? 1 2 3 4. So we are getting the result as a positive. Whereas you see here we are having a minus sign how many times? 1 2 3. But we are getting the result as minus 24. So that whenever we are having a number of negative sign in even number, we are getting the result as positive. And whenever we are having a negative number of negative as odd, then we are getting the result as minus. So in general, what you will write this as minus 1 to the power. Power indicates it as a how many times it is? Minus 1 to the power, if it is a even number, then the answer is a plus 1. Then minus 1 is, if it is odd number, then we are getting the answer as minus 1. These are also a very important point. Okay. With this, completed the first bit. The second bit, what we are having the second bit as verify the following. So here the question asks verify the following. Here given you the sum of the numbers as in the form of a LHS and RHS, you should find or else you should verify that LHS is equals to RHS. LHS is equals to RHS. second question as verify the following. Verify the following. The first one we are having a question. Here also we are having sub questions. So the first A1. A1 as 18 into 7 plus minus 3 is equal to 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. So see here which property it is. By saying this only we said that which property it is. So A into it is in the form of A into B plus C is equals to A into B plus A into C. So which property it is? This is the distributive property. For these elements, whether the distributive property is satisfied or not, we have to verify. Then how to verify as it is the distributive property is satisfied or not? So first we have to solve the LHS part and calculate the result of that. And after that calculate the RHS part. If we are getting here both LHS and RHS are same, then we say that the distributive property is satisfied. Now you see the first, I will take this as the LHS and that as the RHS. First one LHS. What is LHS? 18 into 7 plus minus 3. Okay, now 18 into. So here while solving you should follow the Bodmer's rule. Which rule? Bodmer's rule. Then what is this Bodmer's rule? So whenever you are solving the problems, you should follow the sequence as. First you have to solve the bracket. B indicates here bracket and O is off. If in the question you are having the term as off, then you have to solve that off as first. Then D indicates division, M multiplication, A addition and S subtraction. Must and should you follow this sequence. This is what the Bodmer's rule. According to this, we are solving the first as bracket. Now you see 7 plus into minus as minus 3. Is it? Now 18 into 7 minus 3 as 4. Now 18 4s it as 72. This is related to the LHS. Next consider the RHS. What we are having the RHS as 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. Okay. Now 18 into 7, 18 sevens it has a 126 plus. Now here plus into minus as minus 18 threes are 54. 126 and it is a minus 54. The next as 126 as it is plus into minus as it is minus 54. Now 126 minus 54. 126 minus 54. Then what will get? Here 6 minus 4 as 2. 12 minus 5 as 72. It has 72. Now with this, you see LHS also we got as 72 and RHS is also 72. So here LHS is equals to RHS. You should write as LHS is equal to RHS. This is what the first problem. Here we are showing whether these elements satisfy the distributive property or not. and here no need to mention the property, because they didn't ask here as mention the property. They just said verify the following. But for your understanding purpose, just I said it as a distributive property. This is the A solution. The next B1. B. B as the question, minus 21 into minus 4 into plus minus 6 is equal to, it has minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 21 into minus 6. See here, once again we are using here as the distributive property. It is the distributive property A into B plus C is equals to A into B plus A into C. Here also once again we have to verify the distributive property. Now we'll consider the first as the LHS part. LHS as minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 6. Here it is. Now it has minus 21. As I said, according to the Gauss rule, first we have to solve the bracket. Now into minus 4 plus into minus as minus 21 into, see here, both are with the minus. So whenever the two integers with the same sign, we will add them and write the sign of the respective number. So here 6 plus 4 as 10 and both are with the negative sign. So it is minus 10. Now minus into minus as plus, 21 into 10 as 210. This is regarding the LHS. And see, I am solving here the RHS part. RHS as, what we are having the RHS, minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 21 into minus 6. Is it? Now solve this one. Minus into minus as plus and 21 into 4 as 84. Clear? And this plus as it is. Now minus into minus plus 21 into 6, it has 126. 1 6 is 6, 6 2 is 12. It has a 126. Now 84 as it is, plus into plus as plus 126. 84 plus 126, it has 210. You see here, LHS what we got it as a plus 210. Here also we got it as a plus 210. With this we say that LHS is equals to RHS. LHS is equals to RHS. This is what the solution of the B. Just you have to solve the first as LHS, calculate the value of the LHS part, and next take the RHS part, calculate the value of that also, and afterwards you that with the help of this we got as LHS is equals to RHS. Okay. And the next one is C. C problem. as, see what the question is, minus 30 into 13 plus minus 3 is equal to, it is minus 30 into 13 plus minus 30 into minus 3. Clear it is? What we are having here? Minus 30 into 13 plus minus 30 into minus 3. Once again, here also that is distributive property. What is our distributive property? A into B plus C is equals to A into B plus E into C. Now, once again we will solve like LHS and RHS part. First one is LHS. LHS is equals to minus 30 into 13 plus minus 3. Is it? Now, minus 30 as it is. First, you have to solve the bracket. This one. So, it has 13 plus into minus as minus 3. Now, minus 30 into 13 minus 3. 13 minus 3 as 10. It is plus 10 because here the bigger number is with the positive. So, it has a plus 10. Now, plus into minus as minus 300 into 10 as 300. Clear? This is regarding the LHS. The next as RHS. So, RHS as, what we are having the RHS? Minus 30 into 13 plus minus 30 into minus 3. Okay? See here. Again here, minus plus as minus 30 into 13. That is 39 is 39 and this 0 as it is. Plus minus into minus plus 3 3 is 9. That is 33 is 90. So minus 390 plus into plus, it has plus 90 as it is. Now here one of the number is with the negative and other is the positive. We will do the subtraction and keep the sign of the highest number. Here the highest number is 390. It is the usual subtraction as a 390 minus 90, but you should keep the sign of the highest number. So here the highest number is 390 minus 390 minus 90 as 300. So we will get it as a minus 300. You see here LHS is also minus 300 and RHS is also minus 300. Like this we got LHS is equals to RHS. LHS is equals to RHS. And the last problem of this bit. The last problem of this bit, that is D1. So in the first three problems, that is A, B, C, we got as the LHS is equals to RHS. Then we will see what happens to the that is D problem, fourth problem. See D as the question D1 minus 4 into minus 2 plus 7 is equal to minus 8 into minus 2 plus minus 1. See here only in the previous problems we had like distributive property, A is multiple to B and A is the same repetition of the numbers on the RHS side. But here you see there is a difference in the number also. Here the numbers are different and LHS are the numbers are different and RHS are numbers are different. Here only we can say that both are not like LHS is not equals to RHS. Then also we will verify here. So LHS, what is LHS here? Minus 4 into minus 2 plus 7. See here, first you have to solve the bracket according to the Bodmer's rule. Now minus 4 into, it has minus 2 plus 7. Okay? Now minus 4 into, it is minus 2 plus 7. So one is with the positive and other is a negative. We should do the subtraction. That is 7 minus 2 as 5. The highest number, that is 7, it is with a positive. Now multiplication, 4 into 5 minus into plus as minus 5 4s are 20. This is what the LHS. Then calculate the RHS part. What we are having the RHS here? Minus 8 into minus 2 plus minus 1. Okay. Now minus 8 into minus 2. First solve the bracket. Minus 2 plus into minus as minus 1. Now minus 8 into both are with the negative sign. So we will add this, both are with the same sign. We will add these two numbers and keep the sign of the respective number. So it has 2 plus 1 as 3 and the minus as it is. Now minus into minus as plus. 8 3s are 24. See here LHS what we got here? Minus 20 and RHS has plus 24. So here it is clear that LHS is not equal to RHS. Means minus 4 into minus 2 plus 7 is not equal to minus 8 into minus 2 plus minus 1. Here LHS is not equals to RHS. And the next one. So with this we completed the second bit. Next is the third bit. In the third bit again we are having the two sub questions. So here the question asks, third question, as I said we are having two bits. First one, for any integer a, what is minus 1 into a equal to? What is the question? For any integer a, what is the product of? What is the product of minus 1 into a? This is the question. See, as a is an integer, when you multiply, the solution. So minus 1 into a, minus here a is in the plus form because behind any no sign is there means it is a positive. Minus into plus as it is minus 1 into a as minus a. So for any integer a, the product of minus 1 into a as minus a. This is what the solution for the question number 3, first bit. And the second bit. What we are having the second bit? The question asks, determine the integer whose product with minus 1. Is the question? Determine the integer whose product with minus 1 is. In the second bit again we are having A, B, C, D. Okay. The first one asks minus 22. We have to find the product of minus 22 and minus 1. We have to multiply here minus 22 with minus 1. Now, when you multiply minus 22 with minus 1, you see what happens? Minus into minus as plus, 22 into 1 as 22. This is A. The next as B. What we are having B? 37. Here also we should find the product with minus 1. So the solution as 37 into minus 1. Now here plus into minus as minus 37 into 1 as 37. And the next one is C. What we are having C here? Thousand. Okay, thousand into minus 1. 1000 into minus 1. So it has a plus into minus as minus, 1000 into 1 as 1000. The next one is D. D as minus 11 into 5. Minus 11 into 5. See here, already here two numbers are there. Again you have to multiply these two numbers with the product, that is minus 1. The solution is minus 11 into 5. This is the question. What you have to do? This multiply with the minus 5. Clear? Now first find out the product of this and afterwards that we calculate with this minus 1. Minus into plus as minus. 11 into 5 as 55. Again into minus 1. Minus into minus, it is plus. 55 into 1 as 55. So if there is a number with 0, this I am telling this as general, 0 when you multiply with the minus 1, what is the answer? 0 into any number is, it is 0. So it has a 0. And the next as fourth bit. Fourth bit, the question asks, starting from minus 1 into 5 with various products, showing some pattern to show minus into minus 1 is equals to 5. The question is here, fourth question first. Fourth as what we are having, starting from minus 1 into 5. Okay, we have to start from minus 1 into 5. We should follow one pattern. Okay, pattern means there should be a sequence like one after the other. With the various products, we should show some of the different products other than that, but should follow the pattern. Some pattern to show. What we have to show? Here we should show that what? Minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to plus 1. This is the question. By starting with minus 1 into 5, by using the various product following the sum pattern, we should show that minus 1 into minus 1 as plus 1. So the solution. See, as they said, you should start from this number. Minus 1 into 5. What is the minus 1 into 5? The product is the minus plus as plus, it is 5. Minus into plus as, it is minus 5. 1 into 5 as 5, minus into plus as minus. So it has a minus 5. And the next, as they said, you should follow the pattern. As here 5 is there and here minus 1 is there. With this we can follow that there is a number is in the decreasing form. Is it? 5 is greater as compared to the minus 1. So it is in the decreasing form. So if it is in the decreasing form, next number what we have to take? 5 after 5 is before number is, because it is in the decreasing number, so it is 4. So you should take here as a minus 1 into 4. as minus 4. You have to follow the same pattern. As they said, you should follow the same pattern. It is minus 1 into 3 as minus 3. The next one, minus 1 into 2 as minus 2. See, 5, 4, 3, 2. This is what the sequence or the pattern we are following here to show that minus 1 into minus 1 is equals to 1. Now, minus 1 into 1 as minus plus, it is minus 1. That last, that is 1 after it is 0. Is it? Minus 1 into 0 as it is 0. The next one is minus 1 into minus 1. Minus into minus, it is plus. So here we got it as a plus, minus into minus as a plus 1. See here, the question asks starting from minus 1 into 5 with the various products. These are the various product and we are following here as the pattern. Which is the pattern here? Like 5, 4. There is a difference of 1. 5, 4 to 5, 1, 3 to 4, 1, 2 to 3, 1, 1 to 2, 1. So we are following the one particular pattern to show that it as minus 1 into 5 as minus 5, minus 1 into 4 as minus 4, minus 1 into 3 as minus 3, minus 1 into 2 as minus 2 and minus 1 into 1 as minus 1, minus 1 into 0 as 0, minus into minus as plus. 1 into 1 as a plus. This is what this said to show. So here finally we got as minus 1 into minus 1 is equals to 1. So next in the tomorrow's class we will discuss the 5th bit. Okay. Have a nice day.